Look what I just got here. Something really exciting. Let's open it. How do I open this? Okay, what the fuck? I didn't order this shit. But holy shit. Holy shit, okay, I don't know what to do. Okay. I didn't actually order this. I ordered 8 gigabytes RAM. Look what I got. 960 Evo. What the fuck? What should I do, man? What the fuck should I do? Okay, this is crazy. I mean this is way more expensive. What should I do? Okay, so I was shocked that I got a 960 Evo, but apparently, if you open this thing up, the RAM's inside. Okay, 960 Evo. 960 Evo. So yeah, here we have the Team Elite, 8 gigabytes, DDR4, 2666 megahertz, and we're gonna install it in the laptop. And also, I'm gonna be cleaning the laptop because it's been a while and I'm sure it is dusty. Pro tip, use a magnet so you don't lose any of your screws. Okay, all the screws are opened up and now we have to pry the laptop. And that's something that I hate about this laptop. We're gonna be using an unused card. Don't use any of your credit card or ATM cards because it might break. You never know. Alright, let's do it. Actually boots up and detects RAM. Let's hope everything works well. Okay, it boots up. Okay, there we go. 16 gigs of RAM. There we go. Full channel. Okay, nice. Alright, let's talk about why I upgraded the RAM on my laptop, the TUF FX504. First of all, I don't play games that much, so I won't be talking about gaming performance here, but I do use Premiere Pro and Lightroom a lot, and my performance is just really bottlenecked. by the RAM, and it's just not a pleasant experience. This laptop has a good CPU and GPU, but still slow. Why? Because of the RAM. It got bottlenecked. For Premiere Pro, it takes forever to load a project in Premiere Pro, and while it loads, it might freeze to the point where I just can't move my cursor, so I have to force shut down the laptop. It's that bad. It sucks. And every time that I have Premiere Pro open, I don't have much RAM left, so I can't do any other task. Like if I'm browsing, it will be really laggy, and it's just not a pleasant experience. Furthermore, this laptop has 978750H, 6-core 12 threads, and a GTX 1050 Ti. Premiere Pro should be smooth, right? But no. I edit 1080p videos, and as soon as I start color grading the videos, it just can't play the video without having drop frames. Really? Really, bro? I have a good processor and GPU, but still, I can't edit 1080p videos well without having lag. Bottleneck is real by the RAM, and editing is just not smooth and snappy. Once I start color grading, it takes time for me if I click on a different part of the timeline. Not that long, just a second, but it should be instant. I mean, the CPU and the GPU is just a beast. It shouldn't have any of those lag problems. And just now, I added some RAM to the laptop, and man, it's just really good. It's amazing. Performance boost is just crazy. It's crazy. Everything is just way faster. Premiere Pro, load a project, it takes only like a few seconds. The difference, it's like from 10 minutes to only a few seconds, and no freeze, no lag. Dude, it's just crazy. Editing is just way snappy and smoother, no lags whatsoever. And now, I can play color graded 1080p footage with no drop frames. Good. And as for Lightroom, loading a highly edited raw image is just almost instant. It usually takes 2 or 3 seconds before. Crazy. It's just crazy, bro. And what I mean by loading is basically, if you're in the develop tab, you select an image and then you select another. That's what I mean by loading, okay? And before I added the RAM, when I export my photos in Lightroom, it'll just max out the RAM. And everything will just be super laggy, and I just can't use my laptop, so I have to leave it and wait for it to export. But now, it still has lots of RAM left, and I can do other things with it. In addition, the whole system is just way faster. Opening File Explorer, Chrome, it feels way more snappy. And well, the added RAM does help a lot, but I think it's also because of the dual channel. So, lesson of the day: if you own a laptop or even a desktop, don't forget on RAM. Upgrade it. Don't let it get bottlenecked by RAM, especially because these days laptops come with single channel, and they usually come with 8 GB only, so you can upgrade in the future. And that's exactly what you need to do. Upgrade it. Unleash the full potential of your laptop. Alright, that's it for this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.